back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So as we're going to get ready to go, as Mead's going to lead them to the green here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Green flag is out, and we are pure stock racing here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Pure Stocks race their way into turns 1 and 2, as it'll be Aiden Mead in that number 38 machine. You'll have Hayden Cunningham going to take a good look to the inside. Gets a little tight off of turn 3 and 4. Opens up the door there for Jacob McCormick to the inside as we complete lap number 1. Pure Stocks race their way on the bottom side of the speedway in turns 1 and 2 and down to the backstretch as the number 38 of Aiden Mead. He'll make himself right through the middle of 3 and 4 as guys are pushing and shoving into the back of the field, as it'll still be lap number 2 for Aiden Mead in that number 38 machine. As Mead continues to lead, great battle for the second spot between Cunningham and Robert Tyree as they make some contact in turn 1 and 2 and that newly retracked surface there as the 18 of Cunningham making some big contact in 3 and 4. Both drivers able to save it as they race their way into turns 1 and 2. Battling continues on there between Robert Tyree and the 11. Some more contact is made between him and Cunningham. As Cunningham and Tyree make some contact, here comes a move with the 66. Some contact is made in 3 and 4 as the 66 of Mac Ayers now works to the bottom side of the speedway for that 4th spot. Racing continues on here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Oh, the 18 of Cunningham going to get a little loose. Look out. The 66 pushes tight in turns 1 and 2. As here comes Ayers to the inside for that 3rd spot. There's a big bump into 3 and 4. Look out. We got one going around and big contact. Oh, my goodness. Big contact in turn 3 and 4. Caution flag comes out here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. My, oh my, big contact here on the speedway down on the front stretch as looks like there was some contact as the 28 JR is going to maybe hopefully get it in reverse, but man, there was a lot of contact, a lot of racing action going on. Well, looks like he might be able to put it in reverse and back it up. Stocks here with the Natural Bridge Speedway, so we'll see if the 29 of Dakota Johnson will be able to make it back out on the speedway after they're attending to that left side. Looks like Cunningham, he has the helmet off. He's going to call it a night here this afternoon, and the 22 of Matthew Hamilton is on the hook. It looks like crews are going to try to assess the damage here, and they're going to give him 2 laps, the courtesy laps here by the Natural Bridge Speedway. The Pure Stocks are ready to go single file, as it's going to be Aiden Mead, Robert Tyree, and Mac Ayers, Jacob McCormick, and Braddock Wheeler going to be leading our way right through the middle of turn 3 and 4, and we're back on our way here for tonight's Pure Stock action. Mead leads them off into turns 1 and 2. Meanwhile, it'll be the 11 of Robert Tyree, and Mac Ayers going to be the top 3. Single file, nose to tail down to the backstretch, they say, as it's all going to be Aiden Mead holding that middle side. Little slick there. I'm surprised they're not working the freshly reworked track on the outside, as it's still going to be Mead, your race leader this time. Running about the 22nd bracket as Mead continues to lead. Here comes the 66 of Mac Ayers to the inside. He's got a bit of a challenge as Jacob McCormick in the 08 machine has found some speed on the reworked racetrack on the outside. McCormick to the outside. Ayers in the 3rd spot's going to push a little tight off of 3 and 4. Big cut down there for the 08 machine. And McCormick, he will get a run on the inside as they race their way into turn 1 and 2. It's going to be the 08. Oh, McCormick got to get hard on the binders to stay out of it. Mac Ayers and Ayers down on the backstretch, drag racing their way into turn 3 and 4 once again. As a race leader of Aiden Mead still continues to lead this one. As the 11 of Robert Tyree right there behind him. Big cut down the line this time. McCormick's going to get a lot closer, door to door. That's going to be that battle for the 3rd spot and give it to Mac Ayers that time around. Ayers to the outside, finding some moisture in that newly reworked racetrack here in the Natural Bridge Speedway. But the bottom side too strong, and Jacob McCormick will be able to get to the inside. As the field continues on, Robert Tyree is still your leader, showing on my race pass, and that is not correct. The scoring and timing is still kind of messy here a little bit. So it's actually the 11 of Robert Tyree in the second spot. Mac Ayers in the fourth spot. The 08 of Jacob McCormick should be in the third spot. Aiden Mead is still your race leader in that number 38 machine. I know the scoreboard is showing him in 6. That is not correct with 10 out of 25. As it's still going to be all Mead all by himself. The 11 machine of Robert Tyree. Jacob McCormick in the 08 for the third spot as the timing and scoring seem to be gathering together. Ayers going to get a little loose off of turn number 4. As the number 18 rod, that's going to be Mr. Braddock Wheeler going to be challenging for that 4th spot. Wheeler takes a good look to the inside of Ayers in that number 66 machine, and they make their way down to the backstretch as the 18 ride. As Braddock Wheeler continues to work that slick in 3 and 4. We have 12 out of 25. American All-Star Series, you were up next for 60 laps. American All-Star Series, you were up next. We need you guys in the chute and ready to go. As the 38 of Mead just making it look easy out here for the Pure Stock division here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. As the 11 of Robert Tyree going to be for that second spot. It will go to Jacob McCormick and Mac Ayers in the 4th spot with the 18W of Bradley Wheeler in the top 5. As it'll go to Marcus Andrews at number 67 as we have 6 cars left on the Speedway. 13 out of 25, as it's going to be all Aiden Mead. You'll have the 11 of Robert Tyree and Jacob McCormick still the top 3, as it'll go to Mac Ayers and company, single file, nose to tail, as it's all Mr. Mead running 20.126 is starting to lead the field, as Robert Tyree with a 20.290. Jacob McCormick showing some speed up on the outside of the Speedway. He's running some 20.067. 15 laps left up to the 25-lap feature here for the Pure Stock division. Coming up next, the American All-Star Series. You are up next. As we continue on here for tonight's race in action here at the Natural Bridge Speedway, the final Pure Stock division race here tonight. As it's going to be all Aiden Mead still out in front in this one here once again with 16 out of 25. As we continue on, as Aiden Mead continues to roll around that number 38 machine. After that, it'll be to Robert Tyree in the 11 still. As Mead continues to lead this one here, 17 out of 25. As we roll to the outside shelf, it's Mead all the way as we have 6 Pure Stocks left on the Speedway. Coming up next, we need the American All-Star Series late models. You got to be on the chute. We'll be ready for running 20.230 here for the Street Stocks. Not a whole lot of action besides me driving away as we're 19 out of 25 in this one. As Tyree and Jacob McCormick round out the top 3, it'll be Mac Ayers, Bradley Wheeler, and Marcus Andrews so far. As we may have a little bit of lap down traffic involved in this one. They got about 19 out of 25. We'll see the high 5 this time by as the Mead's going to make his way right through the middle once again, right through the slick, and continues to drive away as Meads will see the high 5 this time by. Robert Tyree and Jacob McCormick about 2, 3, 4 car lengths away from each other. McCormick still continuing to try to run in that outside shelf here for later this afternoon as it's all Mr. Mead out in front, and he's still continuing to knock down times in the 20.366 bracket as we got 4 to go. Lap down traffic may be a factor in this one as Marcus Andrews, as race leader Mead, starting to close on him. Now, Mead might have to think here a little bit and see what he's going to do as the 67 machine holds it right below that tack line. As Mead continues to lead this one, we'll see 2 to go next time by. Mead's in that 38 machine to the outside of that number 67 machine of Marcus Andrews down to the bottom shelf, and it's still all Mead. He's starting to close, and it looks like the 67's going to let him on by as race control telling him, hey, blue and yellow this time around. You should see the 2 to go for Mead. As Mead continues to drive away, Robert Tyree and Jacob McCormick the top 3, as it's still Mac Ayers in the 66 and Braddock Wheeler and Marcus Andrews about to go a lap down on the backstretch, and he does as he'll make his way to the outside shelf once again. You should see the white flag here for the Pure Stocks. Mead sees the white flag, so does Tyree and Jacob McCormick here for the final time of the season of 2025 here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Mead down to the backstretch for the final time. He'll race his way into 3 and 4. Works it right through the slick to the outside one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause as he wins here for the Pure Stocks. It's Aiden Mead. Second will go to Robert Tyree in the 11. Third will go to Jacob McCormick. The 18W, Braddock Wheeler, and Marcus Andrews will round out the field for the finishing order here for the Pure Stocks. And the 11 all but got into the 38 of Mead after that. Oh, my goodness, that was a little scary. Whoa. I don't know if he was upset at Mead or what, but he come flying at him there under after checkered flag edition. I don't know if he thought the race was over or not. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys bought your 50-50 tickets, because if you didn't buy your 50-50s from the Cave Spring Elite, well, you're out of luck. The fine ladies and up here counting the money, and I'm going to get a final tally here.